Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. I want to say Happy New Year to everyone and I want to wish you all the best in this new year. And in this video, I want to share with you a little bit about my cross-stitching plans for 2022. I am going to be cross-stitching kits and I'm going to be cross-stitching patterns and charts, and I am going to be also cross-stitching from cross-stitch magazines. And these are just my plans. They're big, ambitious plans, and I know I'm not going to be able to cross-stitch everything, but I am going to try. And as I said before, these are just plans, and plans are subjected to change. They are not written in stone. If like a new cross-stitch kit or a new chart comes out and I really like it, I am going to change my plans and I'm going to buy that one and cross-stitch it. Well, let's start with cross-stitch kits. This cross-stitch kit from Magic Needle. This is Russian. Beautiful romantic scene. The next kit is by Dimensions. Beautiful spring scene. Gold collection. Cherry Blossom Creek. Very beautiful. And the beautiful colors. This is blue Ada fabric. Next cross-stitch kit. This is by Litty Stitch. Beautiful merry-go-round. Nice one to start in the summer. And the colors are awesome as well. And next two kits that I'm going to show you, I don't have them yet because I haven't received them yet. I have ordered them, but they have not come in the mail yet. But I can show you the picture, the preview of them. Just let me get my laptop. This is a sampler by Jen Lynn, summer sampler. This I ordered from 123 Stitch. Haven't received it yet. And the next one, this is from Russia. I ordered this one. Beautiful, very beautiful. Sea breeze, I don't know, like a sea storm almost with seagulls. So I'm waiting for these two kits, and I think I'm gonna start cross-stitching them like in the summertime. And the next kit is these beautiful sunflowers. This is also Russian from Alisa. This has Russian floss and Russian fabric. I am going to be changing some stuff in this kit, like I'm going to be changing stuff in the chart. But I'm going to make a separate video about that. Next kit. This is more for autumn or fall. Very beautiful kit to make in the fall. Cross stitch in the fall. This is also Russian Panna. And the last kit. This is also a Russian kit. Russian kit from Russia. This is called Frost and Sun. This is good for like the winter time of next year. Or maybe this year. I don't know. And now I'm going to show you some charts and patterns. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to make. I'm going to show them to you. The first one, this is by Joan Elliott, Fairy of the Wind. And the next chart is also by Joan Elliott. This is Fairy of the Rainbow. And I want you to write me in the comment section below, what fairy should I cross stitch? Because I don't think I will be able to complete both of them. So which one do you want me to cross stitch? Fairy of the Wind or Fairy of the Rainbow? Let me know in the comment section. And the next two charts, this is by Handson Design. Beautiful Winter Wonderland Farm. I made one of these before, but it was like an autumn fall farm. And the other one is also by Handson Design. This is for Christmas. These two are like for Christmas next year. This is Holly Jolly Farm. And I want you to write me in the comment section, which one do you want me to cross stitch? The Holly Jolly Farm or the Winter Wonderland Farm? Let me know, please. And there are two charts that I'm gonna be using for cross stitching. These are from cross stitch magazines, and I'm gonna show you them. Just a second, let me get my laptop. The first one is this beautiful summer lady, and I've started cross stitching this one, and I'm gonna make a separate video about this. And the other one are these beautiful red poppies. This one, I think this is from Cross Stitch Collection magazine, and this is from Cross Stitch Gold magazine. This is June 2018 Cross Stitch Gold, and this is Cross Stitch Collection, but I don't know when it was issued. Well, that's it. And let me know in the comment section what you think about my plans. Is there any kit that you liked? And also write me in the comment section if you have any any video that you want me to make, any ideas for a video, something that you want me to make, please let me know in the comment section. I'm very open to that. And that's about it. Hope you have a great day and a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.